Hello everyone, this is Jason from Synredis. Welcome to our daily market updates. So let's look at today's Nifty level. Today Nifty opened with a gap up of 188 points at 17,711 and that was made a high of 17,716. That was the high for the day, which made at the first 5 minutes of the day. And for the entire day, the Nifty continued to be in a weak trend and made a low of 17,632 to close at 17,638. Nifty midcap was higher by 0.94%. Nifty bank was higher by 1.55%. Nifty financial services was higher by 1.57%. Today, Antony Waste Handling Cell published their Q1 results. Their net profit is up by 38% at 23 crore year on year. If you look at quarter on quarter, 15.5% up. Revenue is up by 62% at 235 crore year on year, and their revenue is up by 25% quarter on quarter. If you look at EBITDA, it's up by 20% at 44.9 crore and up by 8% at quarter on quarter. Margins at 19.08% versus 25.7%. So if you look at the results, you can see that their margins has decreased slightly on year, and their quarter on quarter margins is at 22.08%. If you will look at the charts of Antony Waste Handling Cell, you can see that there was a fall in the price of Antony Waste Handling, and they opened at a price of 342 and closed at 326, which is down by 2.44%. If you look at the chart, you can see a breakout of falling wedge pattern in their daily time frame, and we have taken this position at almost 300 levels. You can also watch their results are good, not that bad, only this margin pressure is there. Maybe because of this pressure the price decreased today. We will wait and watch, and we are trading the stock at the price of 300 itself, which is at our cost. We will update about the position in our coming videos. And next one was NAVKARCORP. NAVKARCORP announced their Q1 results today. Their net profit is up by 81% at 23.73 crore, which is also year on year, and it's down by 21% quarter on quarter. Revenue is up by 10% 237 crore, and their EBITDA is up by 15% 52 crore. Margins at 22.2% versus 21.2%. So their margins has increased slightly. If you will look at the charts, you can see there was a falling wedge breakout again at 56 level. This stock we have advised in our Telegram channel at almost this level, 40 levels, and we have advised to continue your SIP model investments in this stock whenever the stock gains or falls, and we are still holding to the trade. And this is a screenshot shared by one of our member, and they have an average of 40 rupees, and now currently the stock is at 100%, more than 100% gain. Next update is from Charles L. Evans of Federal Reserve. Labor market continues to be quite vibrant. Employment numbers continue to be strong. Optimistic that economy will continue to grow. Second half of the year to be quite positive. Inflation is unacceptably high. Inflation report is better than prior months. Fed to increase rates for rest of this year to 2023. Optimistically forecast core CPI around 2.5% in 2023. Not looking for recession. It still should show positive growth. And there was a news that JMC Projects secures a new order of 1,524 crore. There's a management commentary from Mr. Pradeep Kairuka of Borosil Renewables. 9% lower production led to lower margin in Q1 of financial year 23. June-July production is healthy, leading to better margin for Q2 of financial year 23. Q2 of financial year 23 witnessing robust demand. Q1 average realization was at 140 per millimeter. Patanjali Foods CEO says margin to improve, focusing on expansion in food business. Maybe because of this commentary, the stock is down by almost 4% from its opening level. The stock opened at 1,170 and closed at 1,122. Next update was about POWERMECH. The same trend we have updated in our previous video also. POWERMECH we advised at 910, and today the stock completed all of our targets. Our T3 was at 1,100. We took POWERMECH at 910, which is at this level. If you see the chart, you can see there is a double bottom 1 and bottom 2, and from here when we got a breakout, we ended at here, and the stock retraced a bit and then it continued the rally, which is now up by 22%. There's an Supreme Court observation. Freebies a serious issue. Taxpayers have a right to raise questions. Taxpayers may raise concerns about spending public money on development works than handouts. Can take ad hoc decision. Need to understand its complication on economy. Give us your view also on this in our comment section. And next trade is about capacity. Capacity moved almost at 10% in intraday itself. This is one of our trade which we took today. We will show you the chart analysis of capacity in our tomorrow's video. An update from our coal and mine minister, Mr. Prahlad Joshi, held a meeting with Coal India Limited to review coal production and offtake. Happy to note that coal companies have achieved record figures in production and dispatch. CAL has surpassed the target to achieve 12 metric ton daily dispatch between 1 to 8 August. Emphasized on further scaling up coal supplies to thermal power plants. Discussed roadmap to achieve Q2 of production and dispatch targets. In the chart of Coal India, you can see that Coal India has already moved almost 24% from the recent lows. If you will look at the charts, Coal India has taken the support from 170 levels and made a trend line breakout at 195. Sri Jagdeep Dhangar takes oath as 14th Vice President of India. Bharati Airtel is going to introduce Wing Studio, the India's largest music distribution ecosystem for independent artists. WONDERLA Holidays published their Q1 earnings. Their profit is at 64.4 crore against loss of 13.2 crore. Revenue is at 149.4 crore against 4.3 crore. EBITDA at 91.3 crore against a loss of 10.2 crore. EBITDA margin is at 61.1%. Because of the fantastic results announced today, WONDERLA Holidays hit an upper circuit of 20% today and closed at 334.95. As you can see in the charts, the stock made a cup and handle formation here and also made a triangle breakout at 236 on 27 July. From that point, the stock is now higher by 40%. Even we also missed the entry, but the entry was very good. If someone made it, please comment in our comment box. So that's it for today, guys. Please give us your suggestions and feedbacks in our comment box. Bye.